enthusiasts. Welcome to Homes Inspiration Studios, your one and only source for interior-exterior design inspiration. Today, we share with you the charm of ranch house design and tips to create your dream house with stunning ranch design style. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. With subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Now, let's diving deep into the world of ranch house design. This classic style has captured hearts for decades, and for good reason. So, let's get started. What exactly is a ranch house style? A ranch house is typically a single-story home characterized by its long, low profile. Think of it as a horizontal stretch of comfort and style. These homes often boast open floor plans, large windows to let in plenty of natural light, and a strong connection to the outdoors. They're all about easy living and a relaxed atmosphere. Why we have to choose a ranch house design style? There are countless reasons to fall in love with a ranch house. First and foremost, they're incredibly practical. No more climbing stairs for laundry or to check on the kids. They're also perfect for families with young children or elderly loved ones. Plus, ranch houses are often more energy efficient due to their single-story layout. And let's not forget the timeless appeal of this style. It's a classic that never goes out of fashion. How much the cost of building a ranch house? The cost of building a ranch house can vary widely depending on factors like location, size, materials, and finishes. While they're generally considered more affordable to build than multi-story homes, it's essential to create a detailed budget. Remember, unexpected costs can arise, so it's always wise to have a cushion. The exterior of your ranch house is its first impression, so let's make it a good one. Start by considering your climate and personal style. A classic ranch often features a low-pitched roof, horizontal siding, and large windows. But don't be afraid to add your own twist. Consider incorporating natural stone accents, a charming front porch, or vibrant landscaping to create a welcoming and inviting entrance. And to enrich your knowledge and inspiration, here these the collection of the top 10 best ranch house design ideas that you can try for your next project. 1. Modern farmhouse fusion. Combine the rustic charm of a farmhouse with sleek modern elements for a fresh take on the ranch house. 2. Open concept living. Maximize space and create a flow between living, dining, and kitchen areas. 3. Expansive windows. Let in natural light and enjoy stunning views with floor-to-ceiling windows. 4. Outdoor living spaces. Create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living with patios, decks, or screened-in porches. 5. Rustic accents. Incorporate natural materials like wood and stone for a warm and inviting atmosphere. 6. Clean lines and minimalism. Embrace simplicity with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. 7. Vaulted ceilings. Create a sense of spaciousness and drama with vaulted ceilings in living areas. 8. Detached garage. Add extra storage and enhance curb appeal with a detached garage. 9. Energy efficiency. Incorporate eco-friendly features like solar panels or energy-efficient appliances. 10. Personal touches. Add your unique personality with custom built-ins, artwork, and decorative accents. A ranch house can be the perfect canvas for your dream home. Whether you prefer a classic or contemporary style, there's a ranch house designed to suit your taste and lifestyle. Remember, the most important thing is to create a space that reflects your personality and brings you joy. So, what are you waiting for? Start dreaming about your ranch house oasis. For more inspiration and design tips, be sure to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios on YouTube. We've got a treasure trove of ideas to help you transform your house into a home you'll love. After this, we will provide you gallery of best ranch house design gallery ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.